no se puede contigo, ahora tenemos que comprar 100.000 galletas. ¡Ah! ¡No! ¡Ah! Corre, ven. ¡Ah! Hostia, tengo que ver por aquí. Sí, no puedo.
Esto va a ser un caos.
¿Qué vienen estos? ¡Ah!
Round 2.
Qué rara. Corre. Otra vez, venga. Toma. ¡Ah!
Round 3.
Ponte así. Ah. A ver. Tranquilo, chaval.
We just crossed the Nara Deer Park. They're adorable, but beware, the males are quite aggressive. The females are adorable, and the little ones as well. At first we got like 3 packages of these deer cookies and crackers, and I got myself surrounded by, I don't know, 8-10 deers, and I got so scared and one of the packages like fell off my hands basically because I was panicking. But then once you get into the oh my god, just filled with makeup. Here, let me know. You know what? Whatever. Once I got into the mood, or I understood how to approach them, it was way easier. And you show them your bare hands, like I have no cookies, I have no crackers, then they will leave you alone. Some of them are quite friendly, they let you pet them, and some others are just like, whatever, you don't have any food, I'm done. This is all I came here for. But let me show you. Hi. Hi, baby. So cute. Can I pet you? No? Okay. See, it's like, do you have no food? I'm done. Now we're headed to this temple where they have this gigantic Buddha statue. Yeah, the weather is amazing. Like, it's sunny and all that. It's freezing. We have a temperature of 0 degrees, but the feeling is below 0, like 4 minus 4, or like 4 below 0. I don't know. Anyway, it's very cold. My hands are so red, but we're having fun. There are tickets for the Great Buddha Hall. You can also get the ticket for the entire museum, but we're only doing the Great Buddha just because we don't want to be here for a long time. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be either option. It's gonna be pretty interesting anyway. And here you have this humongous temple that I'm gonna show you right now. we just hold on. We just checked the historic facts of the temple, and apparently was made or was built in the 700s. So, like, it's so old, so antique, so beautiful, and there's these gold. Hold on. There are like these gold horns at the top. It is impressive. And I mean, you know, coming from Europe, you know, we're very used to these kind of buildings. Like, not a temple, but pretty old and antique buildings. But this is impressive. It is. You can tell everything is made out of wood. It is impressive. The camera doesn't do any justice in showing how big this is. It is even kind of scary. God. And this is the other one. There you go. This is big, but just look at this too. Clearly. Let me see if I can get. This is the size of the people down there, and these two. God, it's like there's Christian, and then my God, I'm speechless. Someone is taking me through a pathway that doesn't look very legit. Oh, hold on, there are tears over there. Well, this is the path. And it doesn't look very safe. No, not safe, but it's not the official regular one. I don't know. It's a secondary pathway because we want to go to the city per se. We want to have some tea. We want to have some tea because it's kind of cold, and even though I'm feeling better right now, but yeah, we want to have some tea and then go sightseeing another temple, and then have lunch, and then go back to Kyoto because we want to do some shopping. We will have finished our itinerary by then, so yeah, we want to see and get some deals. I want to get a new balance trainers, but I don't know if I'm gonna get them today or when I'm back to Tokyo. And yeah, let's just see what deals and bargains we're able to find. There are quite a lot here with the tax-free situation and the price difference between Spain and Japan. And yeah, well, not in everything. Other certain things. Hold on, I don't want to be. There's certain things that are not as cheap, or like they're not cheap in general. So not everything is cheaper, but just, or not everything is a deal, but certain brands and things like trainers do have a great discount. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. But first, let us get some tea. Okay, we made it out. Safe and sound. Huh? Safe and sound. We're good.
Boy Scouts.
Boy Scout over here. Japanese Boy Scout. These houses are so beautiful. Oh god, let me show you. We're back again at the beginning of our route, which is the Nara Deer Park. In the future, males are aggressive. So my advice for anyone who's coming in the upcoming months or days, or whenever you're seeing this video, just like here at the beginning, like the Nara Deer Park per se, they're beautiful. There are a lot of them, but again, they're pretty aggressive because everyone comes here. I did it myself, and so if you want to feed them, I don't want them to kind of attack you or be in such a crowded place. Just walk through the entire park. Anywhere near the temples, they're everywhere. So, and you'll be in a more of calmer and tranquil place and area to feed them. So yeah, you won't be feeling overwhelmed or again attacked. But they're beautiful. At the end of the day, they're just animals, and they're doing their thing, and they know that people feed them, and it is what it is. Earlier today we saw a family with very small kid who was adorable. He was feeding the deers as well, but one of them attacked him. No, I didn't. ¿Es ese, no?
No pagué.
Ah. So we were to see the pagoda here, and this is it. Okay. Yeah, pues no. It's getting restored, so we're not seeing it. Hace dos años. Yeah, well. Sí, es esta porque está enfrente de la ahí, la entrada esa redonda. What a bummer. Behind this, you can find the second largest pagoda in Japan, but it's being restored at the moment, so we're not able to see it. So as I was saying, one of the male deers actually attacked the little boy, and he was fine. Like he was just pushed, and he fell to the ground, but like very softly. It wasn't that bad, honestly. Of course, one of the family members or friends that he came with, actually his father was pretty cool about it, but one of the friends, he got very nervous and kind of put his fist in front of the deer's face, and I was like, oh no, man, like you're bringing a little kid. See, I'm just trying to be mindful with the steps. You're bringing a little kid to the deers, so it's your responsibility. These are deers, these are animals, and that's what it is. So you are the one who has to be careful. So yeah. Now we're heading to Hiroshima, Hiroshima Street to get something to eat. It's a street market. It's a street market, a food market, street food market, street market, a street food market. And yeah, we're gonna see what we want to eat. What do you feel like you eat?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
He's not sure. Let's see. Thank you. We got this famous mochi store here. I don't know the name. I'll raspberry, so I'll put it like around this way. Let's see. It's kind of warm and heavy.
ペッサ
Spaghetti también. ¿Gusta acá? Let's see.
ああ、そうね。Not for me.
No?
Not for me.
Ah, you can tell, yeah, the bean flavor, but I really like it. It's sweet bean. Let's see. It's so cold, and it's like, let's go here. It looks good, so we'll see. We're still deciding what to eat, and so far they gave us some hot tea. Have you tried it as well?
No.
Smells good. Cheers. I'm scared to try it, so hot. I think I want to wait. This is way too hot. But it was fine. we are staying here for one night. Just came to the atomic bomb gym, and it is quite impressive what humans can do, and not in the most positive way. 80 years ago, that it's not very long ago, honestly.
Yes, second.
If you only, if you want to know, you can only book in 4 languages. Every year, I got more than 2,000 to 3,000 American students. The number of American students come here increasing.
All of these signs are made out of origami figures. See? Just as the one is on the top of the monument. Now we are heading to have some lunch. We're gonna try the okonomiyakis, the ones that are especially different. I haven't tried, well, actually, I did try one okonomiyaki, but so many years ago and in Spain. So we're now heading to try the Hiroshima's okonomiyaki. I'm more than ready to try them, but I don't know about this guy. He's very picky with his food, so we'll see.
No picky, no picky.
Very picky.
Picky, picky.
Picky, picky, picky.
Like a beer.
Anyway, yeah, let's see. It's a building, right? It's a building, and every floor it has like different restaurants that are all specialized in okonomiyakis. So we will see how many people there are there, and I mean there's not a lot of tourism here in Hiroshima. Like of course in the Peace Monument and the atomic bomb gym and all that. You know, we were a few of them, but not too many. After coming from Tokyo and Kyoto, this is nothing. So I have my hopes up not finding a lot of people while trying to get something to eat. So yeah. Also, just bear in mind, there are not a lot of trash cans around the cities here. It's not only a matter of, you know, an issue in Tokyo or Kyoto, like in the big cities. It's also in the smallest ones. Here in Hiroshima is the same thing. And so if you get to find a trash can like throughout your walk or sightseeing, whatever. Oh, actually, we just found a trash can. Is it? Yes. Oh, we found one. ¿Me tiras? There you go. There are not a lot of them. I believe it was yesterday. day before, cannot remember which day it was, we had to bring with us a lot of plastics because we had some pineapple and onigiri and something like that. So we had a lot of plastics, like from the bags and the boxes and all that, and we had to bring them with us in the bus ride just because we weren't able to find any trash can. So bear that in mind, that if you're able to find one, just take advantage of it and throw everything you can that you have to, I mean, right? So just saying.